and we're going to write in the words that are in our poem that have that same sound. So we have the word blue. We already have that word blue. That's the first word in our poem. Violets are blue. Where's my construction crew? So we're going to write crew, and of course we're going to write it on this side because that ends with an EW, right? So you're going to do this on your white piece of paper. Then, sorry, my hand keeps getting in the way. Then the next one says, I drew them a plan, but they need more parts. So I'm going to write drew over here because that's EW. Drew them a plan, but I need new parts. A few new vowel teams, and then they can start. So we've got a few. Gosh, there are so many on this side. Are we ever going to get any on the other side? I don't know. Let's see. It's a very big job. So before I continue, oh, thank goodness. Poor little Blue was so lonely over here. Continue. I hope these word builders will come to my rescue. Here's another one. Rescue. I don't need screws and I don't need glue. All I really need is my construction crew. All right, so let's get, sorry, a little bit. So we need the word screws goes over here. Glue goes on this side. And crew goes on this side. So look at all the words we just created, you guys, that make the oo sound, but with different vowel teams. We've got the EW team for crew, drew, few, new, screws, and crew. Oh, crew again. I wrote that one twice by accident. And on the UE side, I've got continue, rescue, and glue. Maybe you can even come up with more. I don't know. I'm sitting here trying to think if I can come up with any more right now. Maybe you can add some more down here. Oh, no, we have new. But there's also, there's a different new. You could do this new as well, K-N-E-W. Or, blue, B-L-E-W, like the wind blew really hard, unlike that blue, which is the color blue. You could say flew, like the bird flew through the sky. You could say, gosh, what else could you say? Continue, skew. I'm trying to think on this side. Rescue. Cue, like they queued up a video, or it's a cue in a play or something. I don't know. You guys are going to have to decide if you can think of more. If you can think of more, you can send them to your teacher, and then we'll know that you're really, really doing extra hard thinking. All right. Now, the next thing we're going to do is add to our vowel chart. So I'm going to pull this up. Remember these. We're going to do, we get 2 vowel teams today. We get to do the EW and the UE. So I'm going to get my blue pen, because that's what I always use on these. And I'm going to put my EW here. And I'm going to draw a picture of, I don't know if you know what a screw looks like. It almost looks like a nail, but it has this little threaded thing. And I'm going to write screw, right like that, because that's an easier thing to draw than stew's a little hard to draw. And then, oops, that's EW. Mrs. Chasman's silly rabbit. That should be EW at the top. Sorry, guys. Just cross that out if you made that same mistake. And if you did EU, this side's going to be glue, because it's a little easier to draw than blue. Blue's kind of hard to draw if you don't have a blue pen or whatever. And there's a little glue thing, white glue. Anyway, so there we go. Screw and glue. Those are on our vowel chart. And the last thing I want to do with you is, did you have enough time to see that? So now look at all the stuff we have, you guys. We have, let's see, we've got 9 vowel teams. We've got EE for tree, EA for eat, OA for boat, AI for rain, AY for train, OU for cloud, OW for flower and rainbow. We have OO for moon and book. We have OI for coin. We have OY for oi. We have EW for the oo and screw, and UE for the oo in glue. We just have 3 left, and we're going to be able to help Rashid with his big project that he wants us to help us with. The next thing I want to do is look at this word. This is the word few, okay? This is a snap word for you guys. So let's break it down just like we always do. We've got few, that's got 1 syllable. How many consonants? Look at that and tell me. Consonants. That's right, we've got 2 consonants. We've got F and W, and we have 1 vowel, and that's E. And there aren't any blends or anything exciting, but remember, we've got the EW like in screw, right? So that is why we chose this as a snap word for this week, because EW is like what we saw in screw. In fact, we could add that to our chart that we have right here. Few goes underneath flew there, okay? So there we go. Now let's look at the letters, and then we're going to try to memorize it, okay? F-E-W, F-E-W, F-E-W. Cover it, close your eyes, see it in your head. F-E-W, do you see it? Yes, good job, guys. Now the next one is a really hard word, and I should have probably done it last time, but I forgot to, so we're going to do it this time. This word I think is a really hard word to spell. I can remember always having trouble with it when I was your age because it's kind of a wacky word. It is the word school, and it seems like it should be spelled. I'm going to spell it the way I think you should spell it. It seems like you should spell school like that, doesn't it? I don't know why they don't spell it like that. Here the CH is making a K sound. So let's go through and see what we see. Let's do our syllables. School. I'm going to move Rashid for a second. So we've got 1 syllable. Let's see how many consonants. Consonants. We have S, C, H, and L. So we have 4 consonants. S, C, H, and L. How many vowels? We have 2 vowels, and it happens to be O-O. That's why I'm saying I should have done it last time, because, of course, last time, actually, that would have been 2 times ago, we learned about the O-O in moon and book, and there's the O-O there, so I should have probably done it then. Sorry, I forgot that. So now we've got, and we do have a blend. We have the S, you can say SCH blend, or you could just say the CH blend as well, except it doesn't make the ch sound. And equals S, it sounds like SK instead of S, it's not school, it's school. What else? Let's repeat it a couple times and see if we can spell it, okay? S-C-H-O-O-L. 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 Okay, covered up. Doop. Close your eyes. Doop. S-C-H-O-O-L. Open your eyes. Make sure you got it right. Okay, good job, guys. I think that's all I have for you today. I'm just going to check my little notes here. Yep, I think we are good. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Rashid and I are going to go off and maybe take a walk and work on some more vowel teams together. We're going to do some writing today, I think. We got to get some writing done. So if you can come up with more UE and EW words, that would be great. You can send them to me or your teacher or whoever you want to. And welcome back from spring break. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.